Hello friends, welcome to my channel SS Nursing Point. Myself Mrs. Swagatika Sahu. I completed my MSc Nursing in Psychiatric Department and now I am having a lecture in a nursing college. So today I made that video related to that nursing course. What is the benefit of that nursing course? So as we all should know, after some days the higher secondary education's result will come. So after that higher secondary education, what you should do? Okay, so up to higher secondary education, it is necessary that we all should complete up to higher secondary education. Then after that what happen? There is various different streams are present. Some are interested to go through that medical line, some are interested to go through that engineering line, some are interested to go through that teachership line, some are interested towards banking, some are also interested to do the complete their graduation. Okay, so those who are interested to do nursing, they are also go through that nursing course after that higher secondary education. So nursing means what? There is a quotation is present that nurses are the hospitality of the hospital. So you also know what is hospital, yes or not? So hospital means what? If a person is having ill, at that time we should take that person inside of a hospital, yes or not? So nurses are the hospitality of the hospital. That means nurses are the main person inside of our hospital. They should provide a total care to a patient. Okay, so that is the job. Nurses is one type of job. So that nurses is one type of professional course. Without knowledge, a person is not able to do that nursing job. So how we should get knowledge? If we should study. So after that higher secondary education, there are various nursing courses are available. So if you are studying arts, then you should go through A&M. Those who are completed +2 in science, they are going towards BSc nursing. Okay. So in our Orissa, there are various BSc nursing courses are available and various nurses courses are available, various institutes are present. So those who are interested to do that nursing course, they should get contact with this number. The number is in the screen. Okay, but you should know what is that nurses course. What is the benefit? If you should do that nurses course, what is the benefit of that course? Okay, then I should tell you that if you should do that nurses course, whatever the course you should do after your higher secondary education, our main aim is to earn some money. Our main aim is that we should get a job. But if you should choose that nursing field, then there is a 100% chance is present that you should do a job. Maybe you should do in government setting or maybe you should do in private setting, but it is compulsory that you should earn some money. Okay, so I request all of you, those who are interested in that nursing field, they should do. Understood? And also there is a quotation is present that nurses are the heart of our society. So heart means what? Already we should study that in our higher secondary education. So heart is one important internal organ of our body. Without working of the heart, if our heart works will stop, then a single person cannot be live. Yes or not? Without heart's function, it is not possible that we should live for a single moment. So heart, how the heart is important in our body. As the heart is important in our body, a nurse is also important for our society, for our patient care. So those who are interested to do that nursing course, there is various benefit is present. You should do that nursing course. And also those who are completed their GNM, there is also a chance that they should get the certificate of BSc nursing through that post basic BSc nursing scheme. Okay, so those who are interested to do that post basic BSc nursing, they should also get contact with this number, and the number is in the screen. Then also those who are completed their BSc nursing and interested to do MSc nursing, so they should also get contacted with this number. And those who are completed the MSc nursing and also interested to do the PhD nursing, they should also get contacted in this number, and all the courses are available in Orissa. So if you are having any confusion related to that nursing course, then you should also get contacted with this number. And in all the course there is hostel facility is also present. And what is the course fee? That course fee is according to the institution. There are different course fee is present according to the institution. So those who are interested to do nursing course, please give contact with this number.